Did you know that YouTube has just introduced a slew of new AI tools for creators? More YouTube content will be produced using generative AI from now on. How is YouTube going to make solid use of AI in 2024? Well, let's see. On September 21st, the Video Network unveiled a number of new AI-powered tools for content producers at its annual Made on YouTube event. AI video subject suggestions, AI-generated photo and video backgrounds, and music search are some of the capabilities that will be available later this year or in the next year. Creators may add AI-generated films and images to the background of their YouTube shorts using a new feature called Dream Screen. Producers will initially be able to enter prompts to create backdrops. Later, producers will be able to remix and change their current video using AI technologies to create something new, according to YouTube. Dream Screen was displayed by the firm at Made on YouTube, creating backgrounds in a matter of seconds based on brief instructions. According to a blog post from YouTube, you may quickly create AI-generated video or image backgrounds by entering ideas into a prompt. As more businesses and services incorporate AI features, YouTube made its move. For instance, Copilot, an AI companion, is being added by Microsoft to Windows 11. For the purpose of enhancing search, coding productivity, and other areas, Microsoft has included AI-driven copilots in its flagship products. These copilots have lacked consistency and uniformity among apps until now. The team Microsoft Copilot, in contrast, is currently used to describe a unified AI companion experience that taps into online intelligence, enterprise data, and real-time user context. This feature will be available in Windows 11, Microsoft Office 365, Edge, and Bing. Microsoft wants to offer people a comprehensive AI experience throughout their lives, covering not only professional duties but also shopping, swiftly extracting items like flight data or delivery confirmation from email and more. To that end, the company is expanding Copilot's capabilities and connections. Microsoft's first used the name Copilot for an AI assistant, and several other businesses, like Salesforce, have since adopted it. Microsoft understands it cannot trademark Copilot, but still believes the name has merit. Microsoft's corporate vice president and chief marketing officer for consumers, Yusuf Mehdi, stated at a discussion with analysts in a small group that the company intends to Kleenex it. Since Kleenex is the trade-marketed name for other tissues, the connection isn't exactly accurate, but I can see where he's coming from by equating the Copilot moniker with the Microsoft brand. According to Moorhead, having a consistent experience across consumers and business apps has a distinct strength. Every employee in the company is a customer, and since the majority of the consumers uses Windows, learning Copilot in Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, or GitHub shouldn't take much time. According to Microsoft, Copilot will continue to gain new features and connections to the most popular programs. The business acknowledged that Copilot might be able to exchange information with non-Microsoft Copilots in order to access information from non-Microsoft CRMs, ERPs, and other systems. Copilot should get smarter and more individualized as it gains access to more things that matter most to people in their work and personal lives. At that point, Copilot stops being a branding exercise and starts being a brand-driven experience, becoming an extension of the user. The unified Copilot rollout started on September 26 with Windows 11 and will eventually include Bing, Edge, and Microsoft 365 Copilot this fall. Microsoft began a multi-billion-dollar investment in OpenAI in 2019. Soon after, we noticed that OpenAI was creating intriguing products like the amazing image generation tool DALL-E 2 and the currently well-known ChatGPT. According to Google, YouTube will soon get more AI-related technologies. It's unveiling assistive search and creator music, which uses AI to propose music for videos, and generative AI-powered suggested video themes in YouTube Studio. AI Insights is another AI-powered tool introduced by YouTube. AI Insights gives content creators information and insights about their audience to aid in producing more pertinent and interesting content for viewers. AI Insight is made to assist you in coming up with your next idea and offer suggestions based on what your YouTube audience is currently watching. More than 70% of those polled in our initial test reported that it helped them build and test video ideas, the company reports in a blog post. Aloud is a new tool that YouTube is providing to enable creators to subtitle their videos in different languages. According to a website for Aloud, this is how it functions. Your video is initially translated by the program, which then provides you with a translation that you may check and adjust. The dub is then created after translation. The specifics are in this video. According to YouTube's Amjad Hanif, hundreds of creators have already participated in testing the service. According to the spokesperson Jessica Gibby, Aloud is currently available in English, Spanish, and Portuguese. Hanif also claims that Aloud supports a few languages with more to come in the future. Aloud could be a helpful tool even with its limited language selection as more and more creators add multi-language dubs to their videos. According to Google, Aloud can remove the language barrier in videos. The ability to study and learn about cutting-edge technologies and books that were only available in English for many people helped them discover their passion for technology. However, it wasn't usual for people to speak English, and this made life more difficult for many. They faced a serious language barrier, and the odds were not on their side. Since then, learning methods have altered, and research indicates that 46% of viewers worldwide utilize video to learn something new. Although more than 80% of the world's population does not speak English, a large portion of today's video material is still generated in this language. They cannot access English films, and the playing field is still not level for them. However, due to the small form factor, the need for constant attention to the screen, and the accessibility issue for people with visual or reading disabilities, subtitles are not always optimal for mobile devices. Dubbing. The addition of a translated voice recording gets around these restrictions, but it's time and money consuming for most creators. It used to take weeks of work and a big expenditure to dub. However, Aloud merely takes a few minutes. To cut down on time-consuming and expensive stages like translation, video editing, and audio production, we employ advancement in speech synthesis, machine translation, and audio separation. Even without knowing any other language but the ones you already speak, you can access this content for free, thanks to the inventor. All you need to dub with Aloud is the video and the original language subtitles. If there aren't any subtitles, you can easily read the text transcript that we produce. With dubbing, you may now connect with the masses that were previously inaccessible. In our test, we have observed a double-digit increase in views simply from dubbing into different languages. With the addition of a new assistive search tool, YouTube is making it simpler for producers to find and incorporate music into their films. Based on the description you enter for the video, this function proposes soundtracks for videos. These new AI-powered tools reveal YouTube's intentions to employ AI to entice content creators to use its platform. These technologies will enable producers to produce more interesting videos for their audience, which will ultimately result in more views, subscriptions, and income. Additionally, AI techniques will start informing what kinds of material producers produce. A new AI feature in YouTube Studios generates topic suggestions and outline drafts for potential videos. According to YouTube, the AI recommendations will be tailored to specific artists and based on what is currently popular with viewers. An AI-powered music recommendation system will also use a textual description of creators' videos to propose songs to utilize. Since the development of low-cost generative AI tools over the past year, the change is how digital content makers produce their work is already well underway. Google, the corporation that owns YouTube, has been investing money in its generative AI system, and YouTube has been gradually introducing AI-powered capabilities like video summaries. Google is already experimenting with ranking AI search results first on its most popular product, Search, using a feature called Search Generative Experience. That's all for now. What do you think of the role of AI in content creation? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and for more videos, subscribe to our channel.